Good evening, everybody. How are you? My name is Sylvi from Namibia. Currently doing my master's in China, Central South University in Changsha, Hunan Province. I just want to say something fascinating about the WeChat and the Alipay that is being used in China. In China, you don't have to carry cash or even a bob card. For as long as you have a smartphone, you are good to go. You can pay anything, anywhere. What surprises me is even the street vendors, they are having WeChat apps for paying. Imagine going to buy a tomato in the street and you are using WeChat to pay. No coins, no nothing. This is something that really fascinated me. It's showing that China is so developed. And for this to come to Africa, first thing, in Africa, not everybody has a smartphone. So that's already the first challenge. Even if it comes, it's not gonna work. We can afford